Okay, good afternoon, class. So at this point we have spoken about the whole numbers. We spoke about definition. We said when a number is counting numbers. Sorry, with the, your counting numbers, your whole numbers, your rational numbers, and things like that. We spoke about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and so on. And then other words, or commonly used words for addition, which is the sum of division, the quotient, and so on. So now we're looking at the diagnostic test. The diagnostic test is on page 3. You guys have done these questions already. Okay, this is a revision of primary school work. Okay, so we looked at skill 2. They asked you to write the place value of each digit in these numbers. So if I look at the first one, you got the 2. What does the 2 represent? Thousands, tens of thousands. Not some. So firstly we got units, then we have tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000s, then 100,000s. Not so. Okay, any confusion there? No. You doesn't let me know when I'm moving too fast, you're confused, okay? Hundreds of thousands, okay? So, we have 5 units, 2 tens, 100, 7 thousands, and 2 10,000s. Not so? That was easy, no? Let's look at number 2. We have 7 units, 9 tens, 8 hundreds, 6 thousands, 6 10,000s, and 500,000s. Okay. Any issues there? No. Now somebody said earlier on she couldn't read numbers. Okay. What is that number there? The first one. What would that number be? 27,125. Now so, who couldn't have read that number? Would you have all have read that number? Could you read that number? Now what is that number? That this girl has checked their loss. Yes, what is that number? Just give her a chance, yes? You all agree with that? Okay, so that is fine. Then the question says, number 3, remember we're still busy with skill 2. Write these numbers in words. So can you say that number? What is number 1? Number 3 in words? 205,000 is? Now who couldn't have said that? Can you all say this? You're going to get an exam now. You all can say this. Let's go here. Number 4. What's your answer? Number 4. Did you? Nice. You all agree with that? It's 518,693. Number 5. You got in front. What do you say number 5 is? Absolutely. Remember, we group it in groups of 3, not so. So that number is 559. That number is 321. That number is 102. So we say it's 102,321,559. Okay. And these are solutions. $205,361 That one is 508,693. The last one is 102,321,515. You all okay with that? See any confusion? If you're confused, you just stop me and I'll explain to you, okay? Again, okay? Let's carry on. Then they'll ask you to write these numbers in words. No. Write the numbers for these words. Sorry, why am I always reading it? So number 6. Number 6 would be 25,000. So what do I write? 25. Okay, 25,000. 361. So what do I write? 361. Number 7. 43,078,000. So what do I write? 43, 0, 0, 0, and 78. So 0, 7. 43 million and 78. Don't have to be that far apart, no? Number 8. 1 million is 1. 100,000. 100,000. 0. 0. 1. 100,000. It's 100. What? There's 100,000 and there's the person who told me I must write 001. Who was that? But you understand, Michael?
Yes, I do, sir.
Okay. Important that you, if you made a mistake, no problem. Rather make the mistake here than in the exam. Okay. Also, once you have written it down, you could have read it out to yourself and see if that does that answer there make sense with what was given to you. Okay. You all okay with this, people? Right. Then they ask you to write this in expanded form. Right, so number 9 in expanded form would simply be 2 times 100. That was expanded form. Okay, if you're going to say it's 200 plus 40 plus 1. So that is 1 times 1. That is 4 times 10. And that is 2 times 100. That is it, the expanded form. Later on we're going to use that in our algebra as well. Okay? So what would number 10 be? So you write 63,129. How do you write that? You say it's going to be 60,000. Then you say it's going to be 3,000. Then 100. Then 20 plus 9. So in expanded form, it's going to be 6 times 10,000. It's going to be 3 times 1,000. It's going to be 1 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 9 times. Easy. Not so. Right. Let's look at number 11. Who can say that number first? 158,995. Correct? So this can be written as what? 100,000, not so? Plus 50,000 plus 8,000 plus 900 plus plus. So in expanded form it can be written as times 100,000 plus 5 times 10,000 plus 9 times plus 9 times plus 5 times. Okay. Any confusion? I know some of you have written it as it is in the first line, but it goes further. Okay. Then the next question says, write these numbers in ascending order. People, what does ascending mean? Smallest to biggest. So what is the smallest number in number 12? 1. Followed by? 13. Followed by? 14. Followed by? 19. Followed by? 52. Then? 63. Then? 109. Then? 309. Then? 1029. Then?
46,215.
Okay. You all agree with that? Let's look at number 13. The smallest number? 47. Followed by? 58. Then? 59. Well, what do you notice by me scratching out? Somebody said 59 without saying 58. By scratching it out and putting a line through, it will ensure that I've accounted for every number. Okay? What's the next one?
87.
87. Followed by?
90.
90. Followed by? 102. Followed by? 120. Followed by? 152. 152. Then? 470. Followed by? 890. 890. Followed by? 1025. 1025. And then? 1026. 1026. Will any confusion here? Okay? What's wrong? Zainab. Alright. That brings us to skill 3. It says round off these numbers to the nearest 100. So this number to the nearest 100 is what? 700. Why not 600? So that 5 will turn that 6 into a 7. If that number, the tens unit, was greater or equal to 5, it's going to change the first significant number there. Or if it's less than 5, it won't change. Okay? You all understand it? Right. So this one here? 600. This one here? 700. This one here? 600. This one here? 1,000. You all okay with that? Who got it wrong? Nobody. Okay? Don't be shy if you got it wrong, and I'll try and explain to you again. Okay? Skill 3, number 6, expresses numbers to the nearest 10. So now, you're going to look at the units number, not so. If that unit's number is greater than or equal to 5, it will change the tens unit to 1 more. If it's not, if it's less than 5, it will retain the number, it will stay the same. So 658 would be written to the nearest 10, 660, since it's greater than 5. The next one, so it's going to change that to 1 more. Not so. So it will change that 590 to 600. The next one, 420. The next number, 960. And the last one, 700. Okay, any confusion there? You all understand? Alright, so that basically brings us to the end of skill 3. Alright. So for homework, you can do skills 2 and skill 3, the odd numbers, as well as skill 4 and skill 5 from the diagnostic test. Okay. At this point, I'll stop the video. The full lesson to this to this video will be posted in the description box below.